What's up guys, this is Sean Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Honor 90 that comes with 50 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 4K resolution videos at 30 fps. For the pictures we got the wide angle mode, the portrait mode that is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. We also got the night mode, panorama and stickers as well. For videos we got the wide angle recording as well, and it also comes with beautification as well as the time lapse. But if you use the beautification or the time lapse, then the video resolution will no longer be 4K. While recording video, you can switch between the 1x and wide angle mode, and you can switch between the camera as well with viewfinder. For video recording, we also got the AI noise reduction. So if I turn it on, then the ambient noise will be reduced and human voice will be more enhanced. It also comes with multi-video mode that allows you to capture the video from the front camera and the rear camera at the very same time, and you can even switch between different viewing angles based on your preference. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea about the front facing camera capability of Honor 90. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, because many more videos of Honor 90 are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.